Good morning guys and welcome to day one, or official day one in Lisbon. So we're just down in the Rocio Square, or at Rocio Square. So we've come down to do a free walking tour here. It starts in any minute now.
It was very famous for helping other African immigrants integrate to the culture and lifestyle of the city.
Girl, while we're still young, let's make it a good time. Girl, let's have some fun, let's live out the good life. I can't tell you just what to do. Just got a feeling like we could fly to the moon.
We're about to try a Portuguese shot. It's 11:30 in the morning. It's some cherry infused liquor, but apparently a Q is everything.
Recommendation is what, 5 or 6 shots a day for a woman and 7 for a man.
So this is number 1.
We'll live by the seaside. Going out, we'll live up a good life. I can't tell you just what to do.
And the other thing I wanted, if it's a shot of champagne, Kool-Aid, whatever, but they don't care what you're drinking and how much you still have. If it's in your right hand, you have to drink it, and they start singing a song that goes like Mandireita, Mandireita, penalty. It means right hand, it's a penalty.
The smell was like, I smelled it first and it was like, ooh, but then it was the cherry.
The cherry was really nice.
Yeah, cherry and cinnamon aftertaste, and that was like, stayed in your mouth. So it was really nice. You couldn't taste all of it.
I would do 7 of that a day.
There's just something over here that I want to show you all that reminds me of my grandma so much. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But up here on the balcony, there's someone is drying out plastic bags so they can use it again, and that is something that my grandma would do all the time. So she would dry out her bread bags and use them again. So that one's for you, Grandma. I predicted our future.
Is that because there's the pizza place we were at last night?
Yeah, I knew that we were going to come down this way.
You took me on the tour that the tour guide has taken me on.
Yeah. We're just going to go and get some lunch, try out of our tour, and then eat. She's going to go get some lunch, and she said, asked if we'd like to come along. So it's going to be Portuguese food, but a bit of other stuff as well. So we're just going to go have a look and see if I'm going to like it, and then we might stay or we might go. So we're just going to go check it out.
Is that because you're fussy?
Yeah. I'm not going to lie. People will know this.
It actually turned out to be quite good. I had some traditional Portuguese Francesinha. I can't think of it at the moment. It's just like bread, meat, bread with cheese completely over the top. It was a heart attack on a plate, but I enjoyed it. It's served on top of the tomato soup looking thing. So that was nice. Kat had just some...
I just had a really basic, like a grilled chicken and
chicken chips and salad, so...
There wasn't anything on that menu that really struck me, so I
Miss Fuss Pot, so...
Yeah, but it was really nice. The company was more like...
Yeah, a few people from the tour we were on joined us.
And the tour guide, she suggested it, so...
Yeah, exactly.
I'm glad we did it.
Next minute, it starts raining.
We didn't get very far. Didn't get very far at all. like 200 meters. So we've decided to abort the mission. We just called an Uber, so an Uber's like 8 minutes away, and then we're gonna go back to the hostel.
On these tiles, very slippery though.
Yeah.
When it's raining, it's not exactly fun, so a couple more hours, I'll be happy to come back out again. Alright guys, we're back at it. Back at it. The rain has cleared up, and we're gonna get a train out to get some dinner actually. So we're going through the metro. Anyway, we are on our way to a food market that Kat's found. What's it called?
Timeout.
Timeout Food Market. So that's on the agenda, and I'm hungry because we've been...
It's been a while since we ate.
Yeah, since lunchtime. It's been quite some time. So
It's currently 10 o'clock, just in case you're wondering.
10 o'clock at night. So much food.
I've seen pad thai or satay chicken, so maybe, but I just want to see what this side has.
Oh, that food was so good.
I'm so full, I had to pop the top button of my skirt.
Yeah.
I've put it back on now, but...
It's close to midnight now, and obviously we're just going to get back home, but another day. It sucks about the weather. It would have been good to ride those scooters.
But we have another day tomorrow, and I've got lots planned. And it will involve electric scooter or electric bike or something. So what we were going to do today, but we'll do it tomorrow. Plus a lot of other things, so...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks guys. See you soon.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.